All right, everybody. Hopefully, you had some fun with your Valentine's Day assignments yesterday. And now today we're working with something called scale factor. And so this incorporates the skill of scaling something up or scaling something down. So in this case, we're going to be scaling something down from its actual size. For example, we have the Eiffel Tower here, which is 324 meters tall and 100 meters wide. Now, if we want to make a sketch of that so it's still proportional with the real thing, we're going to have to scale it down here. And the way we're going to do that is utilize our scale factor here. 1 centimeter equals 40 meters. So what we know is that 40 meters is represented by 1 centimeter that we're going to draw in just a moment. And so to figure out how big we're going to need to draw this height-wise, we can go ahead and solve for n here when we set up a proportion. So we can do cross multiply, we get 324 equals 40n. And then how do we get n by itself? Well, we can divide by 40, and we should get 8.1 equals n. So when I draw this, it's going to be 8.1 centimeters tall. Basically, all we did there was divide 324 by 40, and that got us to 8.1 centimeters. So over here, we're also going to divide by 40, and we should get 2.5 meters. So now that we have our height and our width, we can go ahead and draw it on our grid paper down here. So here's our grid paper, and you want to make sure you give yourself proper room to work here. So I want to make sure I have at least 8 boxes to go height-wise and 2.5 to go width-wise. So each one of these grid boxes represents 1 centimeter. And so here, if I'm going to draw it 8 centimeters tall, 8.1 to be exact, I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so I'm going to draw it 8 tall. And then I'm also going to draw it 2.5 wide. So there's my Eiffel Tower. Hopefully yours looks a little bit better than mine. This is going to be 8.1 centimeters by 2.5 centimeters. All right, you can make it a little bit more defined. If you want to like decorate it too to make it look more like the real thing, you can certainly do that. I really do hope that yours looks better than mine. And then you can label it Eiffel Tower and move on to the next monument. All right, so you're going to scale everything down by setting up a proportion, dividing by 40, and then drawing it on your grid paper. When you're finished, write your name up top and turn it in to the back basket. All right, when you're finished, there is an additional sheet on the back table if you finish, but please don't rush through. This is your main assignment for the day. Hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you tomorrow, Thursday.